Hope you are having an amazing day today. I'm actually really excited about today's video because the company that is sponsoring today's video, I already have them all over my house. So this is just like amazing. So today's video is sponsored by none other than Lutron. So I've actually spoke about Lutron here on my channel before. If you guys remember, I want to say within the first month of being in the house, I went around and changed every single one of the light switch. I had like the old school little flickers, and then I went and changed them to the large switch. Again, they're from Lutron. I'm actually going to kind of go around the house to show you everything. Today in particular, we're going to be talking about the Caseta. So right now, if you guys haven't been following my channel, I'm in the middle of construction, even though I'm probably another week before like everything is 100% finalized. But you're going to be getting some small teasers today of some of this going on in the background, and I would say by the second, third week of December you'll get to see like everything that's going on. So right now the Caseta dimmer is installed in the house. Unfortunately, I don't have the lights to them, but I am going to show you like how some of the dimmers work upstairs, because I do have them upstairs. So right now this particular dimmer is set here, the light is on. These two here are also from Lutron. So when my electrician came in, this is what was hardwired. These were already here in the house. The third one was added in order to control the niche that have just been added into the space. Let me just share with you guys right now, every single one of the dimmers or the switch from Caseta that you're going to be adding in can go into your phone, so you can control every single one of them from your phone. So these right here were installed. My electrician is going to be coming back out to install these because I want to be able to control the main central lighting in the living room through this system also. And then I have another dimmer that is set on the other side of the wall, which is set up for the sconce. So right now I am on the other side of the niche wall, and this is the new Caseta switch that has been hardwired in. Again, I spoke about this previously, how my electrician came in and did all of the new wiring. The light isn't here, so I can't show you how it's going to work, but I know you guys are here, you've been here, you're going to come back to see how the light work with the dimmer. This is also going to be set up on my phone. That way I can kind of control it, not kind of control it, but control it pretty much from any area of the house. I can be upstairs and cut it on. I can be upstairs and cut it off. This is really great simply because if all the lights are off and I know someone's going to be coming in, I can from my bathroom get a phone call like, hey, I'm right outside. I'm like, sure, okay, I'm gonna open the door, which is controlled from my phone also. When I say to you, easy peasy, okay, come on in, and from my phone I can turn on the lights to let them in, whatever the case, and like you're not blindly trying to, you know, make your way into the house. I really do love it. I think for me, that's what I love, and because I have been using some of the items from Lutron, I can say like, this is something that I want you to think about. You just need to go and get it. Because I already have Lutron around the house, I'm very familiar with the company, very familiar with the product, very familiar with the ease of use, and I highly recommend this. Especially, let me just say, if you have little ones, you can look at these smart switch two ways, okay? One, you could be like, oh my gosh, this is like so lazy, why don't you get up and turn your lights on? Or two, this is efficient because I have kids, i.e. me, that tends to cut the lights on from the time they go upstairs, from the time they're coming from upstairs to come downstairs, or coming from downstairs to upstairs, they're cutting on every single light. So now I can just kind of look, go into my phone, go ahead and cut everything off. You can set the mood from your phone without having to get up, you know, all of that. The next item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys from Caseta is the lamp dimmer kit in the smart bridge. The smart bridge is already set up upstairs, which is what you're going to connect for the internet. But instead of using my plug for the lamp, I actually hooked it up to my Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and pan to my Christmas tree. You guys can see that. Hey, you guys, I made it. First of all, let me just say I had no idea that I was gonna be able to have my Christmas tree up, like technically 2.5 weeks before Christmas, because right now it's like the first week of December. And so my tree is up. It's not fully decorated, but it's getting there. The bottom half is getting there, okay? And then I'm gonna focus on getting everything up. So what I ended up doing is taking the plug for the lamp and adding it here. Once the holiday is over, my sconce light is a plugged in light. I will be taking it and adding it to that. That way I can control it from my phone. And I'll show you how that works also on the app. Let me pull it up real quick. So you guys, from my phone, I pull up the Lutron and I already have lamp 1 and lamp 2 connected. I did put it in my bedroom, and then I thought to myself, oh my gosh, let me hook it up to my Christmas tree. So with the lamp 1 and lamp 2, you just click it here and I can turn the tree, which I will show you guys right now. I can go ahead and control how the light on the tree is going to be set up. So right now I have about 10 windows that are like the whole back of the house. So there's a lot of light coming in. You really get to experience all of this more at night, you know, with the dimmer. So if you're not looking for the tree to be super bright, you still want to have the Christmas tree up, but you're looking for a little bit more of like a nice moody feel, then you can go ahead and kind of dim it down, which I absolutely love. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. What I'm going to do now is just kind of go around the house to show you some of the other Switch that I have. And again, if you've been with me long enough and you've seen me, you know, use my dimmers and all of that, then you know that these items are with Lutron. So you guys, I'm currently in my bedroom, and what I want to show you are all of the Switch in the bedrooms. Here also are Lutron. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut on the sconce light. This is it, and then I can control how low and how high I want the lights to go. They are set up all over the house, you guys, and I absolutely love it. Lutron also have this sensor lighting that if you guys are interested, this is actually my garage door. I have to change the bulb out, but when you come in and come out, it's sensor operated. So as you walk by, it'll turn on. When no one's walking, it will turn off again. So if I make up, if I'm upstairs and it's really dark and I'm coming down the stairs, it will turn on. Once I kind of make it a little bit close to it, it'll turn on. So again, really, really great additions into your home, especially if you have little ones. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Anything else you're going to be needing, I'm going to be leaving it linked down below. Let me just say, some of the items that aren't in the Caseta family, but they're still a part of Lutron that I showed to you, I'm also going to leave them linked down below. That way you have access to find them. I highly recommend the Caseta dimmers, the plugs, the lamp, pretty much everything that I showed to you guys. I highly recommend it. I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, everything's going to be linked down below, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Guys, really quickly before I go, I wanted to also show you what the actual dimmers look like once they have the plate over it. I do believe some of the Lutron products come with the plate, but then some are sold separately. So the plate around is from Lutron. I'm gonna move over here, that way you guys can see it. Very, very nice. I'm gonna turn the corner to this side here, which I have designed already, and you can see the plate also. So it's very, very pretty, really nice. I'm gonna move back so you guys can see that it is absolutely everything.